Sanaroi Singinumit observed today at Khumman Park to mark the state's overall team champion and Raja Bhalendra Singh Trophy awarded in the 5th National Games held in the state from February 14 to 25, 1999. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur organized the event. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Minister Yas Letpao Haukip and Director Yas Bobby Waikom attended the program. Chief Minister N. Biren thanked the sportspersons of the state for the huge sacrifice they made in making the state recognizable across the world. Supporters and opponents of Myanmar's military clashed on the streets of Yangon today as authorities blocked students from leaving their campus to march, a day after the first flurry of diplomacy aimed at resolving the crisis. There have been about 3 weeks of Delhi protests and strikes, and students pledged to come out again in the commercial hub of Yangon today. At the same time, about 1,000 supporters of the military gathered for a rally in central Yangon. Some of them threatened news photographers. Media workers said a scuffle broke out between the pro and anti-military demonstrators. One photographer was slightly hurt, the report added. In a massive single-day hike, India in the last 24 hours reported 16,738 cases, taking the total tally to 1,10,46,914. With the surge, the number of active cases today breached at the 1.5 lakh mark, the dashboard of the Union Health Ministry data showed. As per a media report, the number of Delhi fatalities too rose, with 138 deaths recorded in the last 24 hours. For the first time in many days, the number of active COVID-19 cases in India breached over 1.5 lakh. The sudden jump today does not come as a surprise, as Maharashtra reported 8,807 new infections yesterday, continuing the upward trend of the Delhi infections. A house was completely burned to ashes in a major fire incident at CHARANGPAT Mayailekai in Thoubal district. The incident happened last evening at around 6 p.m. Sources said that the house belonged to one Konsam Ongbi Radharani, aged 45 years, wife of late Konsam Jane. According to Radharani, the fire mishap happened due to leakage of cooking gas. As a part of the media campaign Know Your Sanctuary and Wetlands, jointly organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union UMJU under the sponsorship of Department of Forest and Directorate of Climate Change, Manipur, today the media team will visit Kailam Wildlife Sanctuary, Fairjol, The Purpose Thinungai Bird Sanctuary and Khongzaingamba in Bishnupur. UMJU President Bijoy Kaksintabam flagged off the team this morning from the UMJU office located at Major Khul, Imphal. Unidentified individuals placed a HOAX bomb this morning at the bridge connecting KHONGMAN and Singjamai Khetrilekai built on KHONGMAN River at KHONGMAN Zone 4 under Thongzu constituency in Imphal district. Reports said the HOAX bomb was placed along with a red star on the bridge. A team of Manipur police and bomb experts arrived at the site, and after cordoning the area, bomb experts safely removed the suspicious object from the site. The object turned out to be an unused cooker. Australian Parliament has passed a law that forces social media giants Google and Facebook pay for news content. Australian Parliament has passed a law that forces social media giants Google and Facebook pay for news content. The Australian Parliament today passed amendments to the News Media Bargaining Court. Rod Sims, the competition regulator who drafted the court, said happy that the amended legislation would address the market imbalance between Australian news publishers and the two gateways to the internet. Media reports said that Sims told Australian Broadcasting Corporation that the purpose of the court is to address the market power that clearly Google and Facebook have. Mizoram government is yet to receive an approval from the Union Ministry of External Affairs to operate buses between Mizoram and Myanmar, Mizoram Transport Minister TJ Lanut Luanga said. Mizoram Transport Minister TJ Lanut Luanga informed the State Assembly that the Mizoram government has approached the centre for launching a bus service between Aizawl and Tahan in Myanmar. Lanut Luanga said that the state government is still waiting for a response from the External Affairs Ministry.